Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to hard reset your OPPO A52. This hard reset can be used if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, you have to turn off your phone. In this case, yep. So when I click on it down to turn it off, and after that you have to press and hold volume down and power button together. Yep. So we're gonna press volume down and power button. Keep holding together this both key. Yep, and keep holding until you're gonna see the special screen which you're gonna choose a language to operate our hard reset. Yeah, that's it. We have choice the English and scroll down by the volume down to wipe data. Wipe data, accept by power, format data, accept by power. Please enter verification code. In my case, it's 7550. And okay, now format. Be sure, but because you lost all your data from the phone, yep. And of course, you will lose also your PIN code to enter the phone. So you lost everything. Okay, wiping data, formatting data. And now phone gonna be wiped successfully and will be restart and start with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!